All right, let's look at the homework 3, problem number 1. All right, so we want to draw an isosceles triangle whose sides are 5, 7, and 7 centimeters. All right, so let's do that. All right, I'm going to open up GeoGebra, and there's a link here, so you can just click on the link. All right, so open up GeoGebra. All right. So first thing I would do is actually I'm going to get rid of the axes and the grids. So I'm going to go here and then go to setting. All right, then here, click on here. So that's the graphics part. So x-axis, I'm gonna not show it. So unclick that. Y-axis, not show it, and the grid, not show that. All right, so I'm gonna X out. All right, so there's no grid or axis there. All right, and the first thing I'm gonna start with point. So I'm gonna put one vertex at the origin, and since we want 5, so I'm gonna put the other one 5, 0, maybe. All right, so that's B. All right, then we can just place it here. All right, so we need to find a third point probably up here, which is 7 centimeters distance away from A and B. All right, to do that, I'm going to use this circle tool here, and circle with center and radius. So click to determine the center, and we want the radius to be 7. All right, and hit OK. And do the same thing, click on B, and the radius is 7, and enter. All right, so we have two circles, and we want the third point to be right there. All right, so I'm going to just do either point tool, or we can probably do an intersect tool. All right, so I'm going to just click on the intersection here. So we got C. All right, we can hide these circles. I'm going to just unclick here and unclick there, right? And it's create a point D there. So I'm going to actually hide those. So D, so that we can see C there, right? So those are the things we need. All right. Then we can just connect them all together. We can use either this segment tool, or we can do the polygon tool. So I'm going to go ahead and use a polygon. So you have A, B, C, A, right? So we have that. And if you want to the measurement to show up, we can actually go here, and then we have a distance, right? So if you want to know the distance here, so click on that. So it's 7, and here that's 7, and click here, that's 5. And we can make it look a little bit better. So I'm going to move this guy out here a bit and put that right here. And I'm going to actually change this name. So right click, and I'm going to rename it to just going to be a lowercase c. So it looks a little bit better. All right, so we have that. All right, so this is the isosceles triangle whose lengths are 5, 7, 7. All right, so we can just capture this using a snipping tool. All right, so I'm just going to capture the picture here. All right, and then I'm going to save it as probably throw it on desktop. I'm going to call it picture 1, P1. All right, then hit save. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.